decent. Yeah, and it's a reasonably simple product, but it's just badly marketed, very badly marketed. You can improve it. You can come in there, you can find listings, kind of like renovation, right? You find the best house or the worst house in the best street. Yeah, you come in and you basically find the listings that need renovation. And you say, well, that's a pretty poorly product. Let's see the numbers. Oh, their numbers are pretty good. They're making sales. So let's see if I could bring in pretty much the exact same product, just have a better listing. I could put videos in there. I could put better quality images. I could write a better quality headline. There's a lot of products on Amazon that don't have Facebook page or Instagram followings, or they're not doing other stuff. They're not even listing on eBay. They're just selling on Amazon. Because people sometimes they've got jobs and they're doing other stuff, right? Or jumping on other products. And this is just one of their products. So they don't have time to do it all. So you can come in, find products out there that need renovating and sort of resell essentially and relist the product. Relisting, think niched products as well. So rather than jumping on a dog collar, jump on collars that, for example, niche it. So rather than just jumping on a typical collar, you have collars with little bells so you can hear your dog coming, right? Or calming collars. These are doing good right now. They come with pheromones in the collar to stop the dogs, to make them more relaxed and more calm. You can also buy ones that have an absorbent material around it, so you can have essential oils and put the essential oil drops on it, like lavender and peppermint and stuff, and it calms them. So I don't know whether it works, but people are buying it right now on Amazon.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.